So guys, yesterday I ordered something from Amazon and it has been delivered today. So my package is so big and it also has an instruction on how to open. Gara, diba? May instructions. I always wonder, why do YouTubers, when they opening a package, they rip it off instead of properly opening it? Makigaya tayo. So let's do it. Ay. Oh my goodness. Ganda. Lot of plastics. Ay. Super soft. Zhiyun Smooth-Q. I usually record on my phone. That's why I need something like this. Kasi sobrang hirap. Laging nag-earthquake yung camera. So by the way guys, what kind of camera do you use when filming or vlogging? Do you use a video cam or do you use your phone? Yes, gara nung plastic ko. Yun. Pero kung may kaaway ka, you can use this as a weapon. Let's get it out. Oh, grabe. Ang ganda. Kung sa hindi na... Oh. This is dangling. It's like my balls dangling. How to use this? VideoMicMe. I'm not using any mic on my phone, which is not really good when you're vlogging. Kasi when you vlog, lalo na I mostly vlog outside the house, there is a lot of noises na yung naririnig ng camera. Woohoo! Seriously guys, may feather duster. Oh. Pag maglilinis ka, pwede mo ito na gamitin mo, lalagay lang siya sa finger. Corny, no? So here it is, the VideoMicMe. Let's try it out later para masubukan natin quality of this. So the last one, mobile phone yan. Record of a better world together with you. So here it goes. Ito siya, may casing pa siya. So it has the fish-eye lens and this one, the wide-angle lens. I'm excited to try this. I want to try it right now. So matry talaga natin kung is it really... What the fuck? Wow! Wow guys, wow! Sobrang so cool. Okay! Wow! Grabe gara! Super nice. I like that one. We're going to try this one. How to operate this one?
A few moments later.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-test run and it actually took us 2 days to do the test run kasi we actually came from Yokohama, so ang haba ng tinest run namin. So during this vlog, meron rin kami na dalawa pang vlogs, so vlogception tayo. All I can say about the product, all of them did great, especially the Zhiyun. So I will review each one of the product. Unang-una is this one. The widescreen one, we tried it already. So I really like the result. So next, itong VideoMicMe. VideoMicMe is, it did good. I cannot say na it's really great, pero as portability, it's really great to have. When we need to capture something is instantly, we need something like this for our phone. So effective rin. I really like the feather duster. Sobrang effective niya. And plus rin kasi yung ano niya, made in Australia. Kasi mostly, diba, made in China. So this one, okay. And last but not the least, the Zhiyun. This one, I really love this one. Sobrang effective niya. I'll show you guys what will happen if I open. This is how it operates. So right now, I'm using like the free mode kung saan sumusunod siya kung saan mo siya itutok. It also has like a lock mode where you just click it once and patingin pa rin siya doon kung saan mo siya inilock. Konting ganyan lang. So hindi ka mahirapan if you like to do want to move it left or right. Yan.